Hello, I'm Janet Blount, career coach and owner of Careers Are Us. Thank you so much for joining me. Last year, we had 348 homicides in Baltimore City. Leaders have said quality education and good paying jobs are needed to help remedy this situation. I will share with you 3 steps parents and other caring adults can perform to help our children find good paying jobs. Step 1, start early. Why is it important to start career awareness, career exploration activities early? Students' career decisions are based on what they have been exposed to. For example, how would a student know they want to be, and you can fill in the blank, if they don't know that career exists? So if we start early, say in pre-K or elementary school, making students aware of a variety of careers, students have so many more choices than if we wait until high school to begin career exploration. Step 2, use online resources. What if your child says, when will they develop a COVID-19 vaccine so I can safely leave the house? A career awareness opportunity just dropped in your lap. If you have time, you might follow these steps right then, or you might write down careers in vaccine development so you can follow up with your child later. Google careers in vaccine development. Scroll down the page. I see a link that looks interesting. Click on vaccine jobs that promote disease prevention. This website has wonderful information, and I scroll down to the section that says public health degrees, specialties, and careers, and I see a list of 14 careers. But your child had a question about the development of COVID-19 vaccines. When we read the career descriptions, we see biochemists study the chemical makeup of living organisms. These professionals can use their research to develop vaccinations. Vaccine researcher. Using clinical and investigative methods, vaccine researchers help develop new immunizations, perform trials, and monitor long-term effects to understand effectiveness. Immunization microbiologists. By studying bacteria, viruses, and other types of microorganisms, immunization microbiologists are able to understand how infectious disease behave within the human body and respond to vaccinations. This career is heavily focused on research. Let's find out more about biochemists. Use the online version of the Occupational Outlook Handbook located at www.bls.gov/OOH. When we get to the Occupational Outlook Handbook, put biochemist in the search handbook section located on the top right of the page. Then press go. This is the summary page. You see the 2018 median pay for microbiologists was $93,280 a year. Typical entry-level education is doctoral or professional degree. Job growth for microbiologists is 6% a year for the period 2018 through 2028. I don't know if those numbers will change since we're in the middle of a pandemic, but for now it says job growth is 6%. You see other information on the summary page. There is more detailed information on subsequent pages. You can access this additional information by clicking on the subject from the summary page, or you can use the tab on the lower right corner of the page to go to more detailed information. Another important step is to determine if there will be jobs in your state for a particular career. Let's check to see the projection for microbiologists in Maryland. From the summary page, there's a line that says more information, including links to ONET. Click on that. It takes you to another page. Right above the box that says suggested citations, you see ONET. And below that, you see biochemists and biophysicists. Click on biochemists and biophysicists. Then click on the ONET at the top of the page. And then you see another summary report for biochemists and biophysicists. Scroll down to the section labeled Wages and Employment Trends. Next to state wages, click on Local Salary Info. Scroll down and select Maryland. And click Go. You see the low, medium, and high wages for biochemists and biophysicists in Maryland. Close this screen and go back to the ONET summary page. You should still be in the section labeled Wages and Employment Trends. Next to State Trends, click on Employment Trends. Choose Maryland. This shows the projected annual job openings are 160 per year between 2016 and 2026. Here is a link for career videos. Step 3, use everyday interactions with your child to create career awareness, career exploration experiences. If your child notices how quickly the buds on the trees develop into leaves, Google careers working with trees. If your child asks while they are washing their hands for 20 seconds, how does the water get into the house? You can use Google or your search engine of choice to find out how water gets into the house and then research careers associated with that. When you're looking at television and you see the credits at the end, does your child know what, for example, a key grip does? What about the commercials? Their careers associated with making commercials. Their careers associated with the products included in those commercials. You might Google growth industries in Maryland, and you will see the companies in these growth industries. You can go to the job openings website for these companies, choose some job titles, and explore these careers with your child. You might even create bingo games based on information from different careers. Now, we have covered 3 steps parents and other caring adults can perform to help our children find good paying jobs. Step 1, start career awareness, career exploration activities early. Step 2, use online resources. Step 3, use everyday interactions with your child to create career awareness, career exploration experiences. I would love to hear from you. Your questions, your career exploration activities that you'd like to share with others. Feel free to email me at janet@careersareus.info. I'm Janet Blount, career coach and owner of Careers Are Us. Thank you so much for joining me, and please be safe.